What if I told you that in 1957, engineers built a truck so massive it could literally dwarf houses, and yet it wasn't designed for roads at all? Imagine tires taller than a human, a vehicle weighing over 100 tons, and a machine so powerful it could conquer the unforgiving Sahara Desert. This wasn't science fiction, it was the Berliet T100. But why build such a colossal machine? What problem was so big that it demanded a truck of this scale? Today, we uncover the story of one of the largest land vehicles ever created. The Berliet T100 was born from a bold and ambitious vision to conquer the vast, resource-rich deserts of North Africa. During the 1950s, oil and mineral exploration in the Sahara required vehicles capable of transporting massive loads across terrain where no roads existed. Traditional trucks simply couldn't handle the scale or conditions. French manufacturer Berliet envisioned a machine that wasn't just bigger, but fundamentally different. The T100 wasn't designed for speed or comfort. It was engineered as a mobile industrial platform. Its concept blurred the line between truck and heavy machinery. The goal was simple, yet revolutionary: create a self-sufficient, ultra-heavy transporter that could operate in isolation, carrying enormous loads across sand, heat, and distance. Building the T100 required engineering on a scale rarely attempted before. Its chassis was a massive reinforced steel structure designed to handle extreme loads and resist the stresses of desert terrain. Every component, from axles to suspension, had to be custom built, as no off-the-shelf parts could support such weight. Berliet collaborated with specialists in heavy industry to develop its enormous wheels and drivetrain. The truck's modular construction allowed for variations in configuration depending on its intended role. Its design emphasized durability and serviceability, critical for a machine expected to operate far from repair facilities. The result was not just a truck, but a feat of structural engineering innovation. Berliet T100 featured a unique mechanical layout tailored for extreme environments. Most versions used a 4x4 drivetrain, with power distributed to all wheels to maximize traction on soft desert sand. Its massive tires, over 2 meters tall, were specially designed to reduce ground pressure, preventing the truck from sinking. One of its most innovative features was its electric transmission system in certain variants, where the diesel engine powered generators that drove electric motors at the wheels. This setup improved torque delivery and reliability under heavy loads. Steering such a giant required advanced hydraulic systems, while its suspension was built to absorb shocks from uneven terrain. Altogether, the T100 redefined what was mechanically possible for land vehicles. At the heart of the Berliet T100 was a powerful diesel engine, most notably a Cummins V12 producing around 600 horsepower. This immense power plant was necessary to move the truck's staggering weight and payload capacity, which could exceed 50 tons. Despite its size, the T100 wasn't built for speed. It typically operated at modest speeds suitable for heavy hauling. Reliability was a key focus, as breakdowns in the Sahara could be catastrophic. Some versions later adopted different configurations, including electric drive systems, enhancing torque and control. These mechanical evolutions allowed the T100 to adapt to different industrial roles, extending its operational life and proving its versatility in harsh conditions. The design of the Berliet T100 was dictated by function, but it still carried a commanding visual presence. Its towering body, constructed from heavy-duty steel, prioritized strength and durability over aesthetics. The cab was positioned high above the ground, offering drivers exceptional visibility across vast desert landscapes. Inside, The cabin was surprisingly practical. While not luxurious, it included essential controls, seating, and instrumentation tailored for long, demanding operations. The layout emphasized ergonomics and accessibility, ensuring operators could manage the vehicle efficiently. Heat insulation and ventilation were crucial considerations given the extreme desert climate. In essence, the T100 balanced rugged functionality with the minimal comfort needed for human endurance in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The Berliet T100 was primarily deployed in the Sahara Desert, particularly in Algeria, where it supported oil exploration and heavy transport operations. Its ability to carry enormous loads across unpaved terrain made it invaluable for industrial projects in remote regions. Operators relied on its strength and reliability to move equipment, supplies, and materials over vast distances. However, its size also presented challenges, including maneuverability and maintenance complexity. Only a few units were ever built, limiting its widespread adoption. Nevertheless, in the environments it was designed for, the T100 proved its worth, demonstrating capabilities that no conventional truck of the era could match. Today, the Berliet T100 is remembered as a legendary engineering achievement, though only a handful of examples were ever produced. Of the four built, some were lost to time, while others were preserved. One of the most famous surviving units is displayed at the Fondation Berliet in France, where it stands as a monument to industrial ambition and innovation. Its preservation required significant effort due to its size and complexity. Over the years, it has been restored and showcased at exhibitions, drawing attention from enthusiasts and historians alike. The T100's survival ensures that future generations can witness firsthand the scale and ingenuity of this extraordinary machine. The Berliet T100 remains one of the largest trucks ever built and a symbol of mid-20th century engineering ambition. It pushed the boundaries of what was possible in vehicle design, influencing the development of modern heavy-haul and mining trucks. Its innovations, such as low ground pressure tires and electric drive concepts, can still be seen in today's industrial vehicles. More importantly, the T100 demonstrated that engineering challenges could be overcome with bold thinking and innovation. It stands as a reminder of an era when designers dared to dream big, literally. Even today, the T100 inspires awe, proving that sometimes solving the world's toughest problems requires building something truly gigantic. Berliet T100 wasn't just a truck, it was a statement that no challenge is too big when innovation meets determination. From the scorching sands of the Sahara to museum halls in France, its journey is a testament to human ingenuity. If you enjoyed discovering this incredible machine, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing automotive stories. And tell us, would you dare to drive a giant like the T100?